Welcome to the channel, guys. This is the first part of my Creality V2 Ender 3 Neo Max Enclosure, and wanted enclosures because I want to mess about with stuff like ABS, and I also want to put it into the workshop later on, so it needs to be an enclosure really. So I first started out with two large Lack tables from Ikea. These are the 900 by 550mm tables, and those are the black bits that you can see in this build. You can see there's not that much I've used from those Lack tables, just two tabletops and two shelves. Can't have too many shelves. So I got them, and originally I printed off a lot of leg extensions on the original Lack tables, but when I tried to use those leg extensions, I did them in PLA. When I was screwing those in, the PLA was very brittle and would break. So went old school, used wood from my local wood yard. So obviously the black bits you can see are the original parts from the Lack table, and the wood coloured parts are the parts that I've added to it. So the tabletop, the Max Neo is a big old beast, and you can't use the normal Lack enclosures that we use for other 3D printers. It's also not helped by the spool being on the side instead of from above, which obviously makes the footprint wider. But I also wanted a bit of space as well to put other things in place. So the legs, the old Lack legs, were replaced by 2x2 wood, 620mm in height, and also they are screwed in from above. You can just see there, those screws are 5x80mm, and they go straight through into the legs. And also the legs are bracketed. You can just see the brackets there. So they're known as stretch brackets, right-angled stretch plates as they're called, and they're 38x28x25. The other things I put in place are some rebates. The ones where they're flush to the legs, they're going to be doors. So we have a door on this side, so it's easy to get to the spool, and two doors on the front with a magnetic catch. You can actually see at the back as well where I've extended the original Lack tables with some 4x2, and that gives you just enough space to fit the Neo Max in place. All the other screws are 4x50mm, and you can see them there, just screwing in those rebates. So the plan is to use plywood for the back. That's rebated, and I can use that to put in PTC heater fans to increase the temperature of the enclosure. And then this side of the door in acrylic, two doors in acrylic on the front, and just an acrylic side. So that's the plan. This took about 4 hours to put in place. I was in no rush. I was going to do a step-by-step video, but that would have doubled the time, to be honest. So I just sort of cracked on. The other plans I've got as well is this is a heater and humidity thermostat. I'd actually printed this closure for it. Looks pretty cool. There's 12-volt power supply there. I'm going to use that to provide the heating. I am considering moving the power supply of the Neo Max as well, because if I'm doing ABS in it, it's all going to get a bit warm. So if moving it out will extend the life of this power supply, I think. And you can probably see it's actually rather rigid. I don't really want to hit it too much while it's printing away. So that's really the first part of the enclosure. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, any comments, any messages, you know, happy to answer any questions. I hope you like what you see. Cheers all. Got 2 pairs of legs at the back, so I can still use the original Lack shelving. These are the door handles I'm planning to use. These are the hinges that I've already started printing. This is the console for the thermostat. And these are the stretch plates I used from Screwfix.